let's understand how you can become a better speaker now. Now, first of all, you have to be very systematic in the way you prepare, right? So, Atomic Habits book का नाम सुना है? So I think I covered it in the first session. I don't remember. Carry Your Career जो हमारा first session था, उसमें हमने discuss किया था, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You always fall to the level of your systems. So you will have this aspiration. I want to be a great speaker. I'll go and tell a great story. You are motivated, but you are not prepared. So will you be able to deliver a great story? Can you drive a car purely on motivation? The world's most motivated guy, he doesn't know anything about driving, but he is the most motivated person. Can go and drive the car? Motivation alone does not help. You have to back it up with the right system. And system is what I'm going to talk to you about. The first thing is, how many of you want to be a great speaker? कितने लोगों में एस्पिरेशन है कि मैं बहुत अच्छा स्पीकर बनूं? कुछ लोग हाथ नहीं उठा रहे. इसका मतलब क्या एवरेज स्पीकर बनना है आपको कि बनना ही नहीं है? यार ये अत्याचार मत करो मेरे ऊपर. All of us want to be great speakers. So if you want to be a great speaker, then obviously जो प्रैक्टिस करना है, प्रेपरेशन करना है, वो सब तो है, उस पे आते हैं. But the first thing is, it is natural to feel nervous. It's absolutely fine. The best of performers feel nervous. Even today when I had to go and deliver a motivational talk, अभी बीच में I was in Goa for a company. There were more than 400 people in the audience, and I had to deliver a motivational session. You feel nervous. That is necessary. Otherwise, you will not prepare. So that is fine. But the most important thing is you have to love the stage. क्या बोला? You have to love the stage. You have to love the idea कि 40 people are going to listen to me. Rather than feeling that they are going to make fun of me, what you have to think? That 40 people, 50 people, 20 people, 100 people, whoever is there in that audience, I have to love the stage because I am going to make a difference to the lives of these 40 people through my ability. So सबसे पहले क्या करना है? स्टेज से क्या करना है? मोहब्बत करनी है. You have to love the idea. So it is natural to feel nervous. That is fine. But what is more important? How do you overcome that nervousness? By actually loving the idea that people are going to listen to me. Now some of you are going to get awards. So when you go home and tell I won an award for public speaking, or you go and tell your manager, are you not going to feel good about it? Are they not going to look at you in a slightly different manner now that this person has achieved something? And it is a great achievement, I'm telling you. Having said that, there is a long way to go. You have to do far, far better than this because your potential is not this. आज अगर आपका potential उधर है, तो आज आप इधर काम कर रहे हो. You have still not realized how huge your potential is, right? So that's the first point. Second, you have to become more expressive. What was happening was because you want to get over with it, you're trying to rush up. Rush नहीं करना है. That's why practice becomes very important so that you know that my speech is for this 2 minutes or my speech is for 3 minutes. I have to time it during my practice at home, which obviously many of you have not done, which is okay. I want you to start doing that from now onwards. We had discussed in the last session, if you have to speak for 2 hours, you don't need a lot of preparation. But if you have to speak for 2 minutes, you need a lot of preparation because you cannot say everything. You can only say the things which are necessary to be completed in those 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. So you have to become more expressive. Speaking, storytelling is nothing but expression. तो उसमें वो ड्रामा आना चाहिए, वो वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन आना चाहिए. You have to be captivating. You have to be a captivating speaker. That people are listening to you with rapt attention. एक दो ऐसे स्टोरीज थे जहां पर एक क्यूरियोसिटी था कि एंड में क्या होने वाला है. But from next time, I want all the 40 people to give me that feeling that I want to know, sitting on the edge of my seat, what is the conclusion of this story. You have to create that kind of drama and curiosity. Third, the most limiting factor for all of you is your English language. Your confidence would be far higher. You would perform far better if English was not what you were asked to speak in. Yes or no? Now tell me, is there any substitute to learning English? All of you are supposed to put those 5 words every day. कितने लोग कर रहे हैं ईमानदारी से? बंदी हो गया है. Now I will come later to discuss about how much time it takes for self-development every day, and you will be shocked to know it hardly takes any time for self-development every day. We'll come to that a little later. So what is the most important thing if you want to be more successful in your career? Which language you have to develop? Is there a choice? There is no choice. So next time when we do this this kind of an activity again, by that I want you to start working on the English language with absolute seriousness. Don't take it lightly at all, because that is how you are going to grow better in your career. There is no substitute for preparation and practice. No substitute. अगर आपको पता है कि मुझे 1 महीने के बाद बात करना है, तो preparation has to start today. It starts with the mind first. You know how great speakers deliver speeches? They first write it down. हमने वैसे ही सीखा है. You have to write down the whole script. Then you have to read out the script to yourself 5 times, 10 times. Time it. 2 मिनट का बोलना है लेकिन ये 4 मिनट जा रहा है, तो then you go back to the script, edit it. Check for pace. Am I speaking very slowly? Am I speaking too fast? What am I trying to do? Then rewrite the script. Then reread it to yourself. Then practice without looking at the script. Again time it. Share it with 4-5 people. Ask them to give you a feedback. Time it. Then keep going back, refining it. वो मेहनत करने से आप महान स्पीकर बनते हो बॉस. In anything in life, unless you don't go through that rigor, you will not be able to make it. So today it is okay. You are all amongst yourselves. Tomorrow suppose you have to participate in some inter-group competition. And your prestige is at stake. Your organization name is at stake. Will you take it lightly? Suppose it is somewhere communication is linked to your career prospects. Will you take it lightly? It is linked. Obviously it is linked. So you have to do rigorous preparation and practice. And I will come to that. When I say rigorous preparation and practice, you don't need hours and hours to do it. We'll come to that. And the last, systematic approach. This is what I explained to you right now, is nothing but it's a systematic approach. First is the emotional aspect, loving the idea of becoming a speaker. And boss, please understand. मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था जब हम स्टोरी टेलिंग सेशन कर रहे थे, 99% of the audience want you to be a good speaker. How many? So nobody wants you to be a bad speaker. So throw that fear out of your heart that anybody is going to make fun of me. Because it takes a lot of courage to come and speak. So nobody is going to make fun of you. And nobody in this world has the time listening to bad speeches. And the last part, your body language. How should your posture be? This is your posture. Eye contact, move left to right, right to left. Use your hands, gestures. Look at people and talk. You can't look at each person and talk, but the audience should get a feeling that this person is speaking to me. So all this you need to practice. You cannot have your hands at the back, hands in the pocket, folding your hands and talking, or looking up and talking. You have to practice all this. You cannot keep moving when you are delivering a talk. तो ये सब कैसे आएगा? You have to put this into practice. And should you practice in front of a mirror? Last time क्या discuss किया था हमने? Never practice in front of a mirror because you become self-conscious. And this is a common advice a lot of people give. Please don't follow it. Never practice in front of a mirror. The idea of giving a speech is not to see yourself. It is to see the audience. The audience is seeing you. And always begin with a warm smile. Very, very important. Right, so these are some very basic things which I shared with you in terms of how you can become a better speaker. Okay.